So hello everyone, so this is Jerusalem today. It's a little bit cloudy and it's freezing. Yeah, so this one at the right side is blue sky, but if you've noticed, this one is a little bit cloudy in here. Napakalamig everyone, ng bonggang-bongga, grabe. Kanino ba itong relasyon ng damay pa sa sobrang lamig? Napakatahimik, napaka-peaceful dito sa Jerusalem. Yan. Diba? Peaceful Jerusalem. Thank you so much everyone.